Welcome to Link 2BD Private Limited. In this tutorial series we discuss about the basic things of CPA marketing.
What is CPA Network? CPA Network is the marketplace, where the product owner or advertiser or claim their offer and publisher or, you choose it and promote them to your personal website. It is not so easy to choose a perfect network as beginner. Such situation I suggest you to see the review of the network.Some factors should be considered as 1. Which kind of offer you want to promote. 2. Offer quantity. 3. Ratings. 4. Payment methods. 5. Payment duration. 6. Minimum payment. Now I discuss about a site. www.offervault.Com. First you think, you want to promote a pin submit offer or dating offer but you don't know where it is available. For these purpose you can use this website. From here you can know which kind of offer contains which networks and the offer volume. Now I discuss about a and her site. www.ofpaying.com. From here you can know about the network ratings, number of offers, commission type, minimum payment, payment frequency, payment method, referral commission. Thank you for watching this video. I want to present you step by step and confident that if you follow the step, you should be gainer in short time.